it's Unicorn, and today we're going to be learning how to draw a cat.
Okay, so the first step to drawing a cat is going to be 3 big circles, one slightly above the others. And then you're going to draw 2 small circles, one right here and one right here. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take this line and go curve it down and around this circle and in like this. Then you're going to add a bottom lip by doing the same thing and curving it into this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to add a line for the nose, and then you're going to do a curvy line here and a curvy line here and a curvy line here for the ear. Then what you're going to do is you're going to want to take this around to make the chest and then draw a leg like this. The next thing is you're going to do is, starting with this circle, you're going to draw another leg. Then what you're going to do is you're going to want to draw the third and fourth legs by doing them slightly smaller and behind these other 2 legs. And then you're going to draw the belly of the cat and the back of the cat. Make sure to connect it to the legs. Then you're going to draw the tail. You can really draw this however you like. This is just how I draw tails. Then you're going to go back over to the face and draw your eye. The last step you're going to do is you're going to erase these circles. Now, sometimes, like, this circle will go through a line, and you may accidentally erase part of the line you drew. So what you're going to want to do is just go straight back to that line and draw over it in the exact place where it was before. Thanks for coming and drawing a cat with me. So your finished cat may look something like this. I colored mine, but you don't have to. And have fun drawing your cats.